Hello students, welcome to my one more video. This is a derivation of potential due to a point charge. Okay, so welcome to this special video for my special students. आज आम्ही काढूया potential due to a point charge. Okay, हे जर तुमकां कॉन्सेप्ट कळपाक जाय जाल्यार ब्रीफली एक तुमकां एक्सप्लेन करचें पडटलें. सांगता तर पोटेंशियल आमी जेन्ना डिफायन करतात न्ही, इट इज नॉर्मली डिफायन्ड एज पोटेंशियल डिफरन्स बिटवीन टू पॉयंट्स. म्हणजे एक पोटेंशियल डिफरन्स कळो दुसरो कळो जाल्यार दोन्ही मायनस केले जाल्यार यू गेट अ पोटेंशियल बिटवीन दोज टू पॉयंट्स. आता वेन यू डिफायन पोटेंशियल एट अ पॉयंट ड्यू टू अ पॉयंट चार्ज, एट अ पॉयंट इफ यू वॉन्ट टू डिफायन अ पोटेंशियल जाल्यार तुका दुसरो पळय पॉयंट आसा तो इन्फिनिटी घेवचो पडटा. बिकॉज इन्फिनिटी कित्याक तर at that point we consider the potential energy is zero. म्हणजे खंय तरी रेफरन्स घेतलें झिरो धरलो जाल्यार वी गेट अ पोटेंशियल एट अ पॉयंट, रायट. सो आमी हांगा कितें करतले, एक पॉयंट चार्ज घेवया प्लस क्यू. लेट द पॉयंट चार्ज बी प्लस क्यू. सो आमी कितें करतात, वर्क डन इन गेटिंग अ टेस्ट चार्ज फ्रॉम इन्फिनिटी टू अ पर्टिक्युलर डिस्टन्स फ्रॉम दिस पॉयंट. सो तें वर्क जर आमी कॅल्क्युलेट केलें जाल्यार दॅट गिव्स अस द पोटेंशियल एट दिस पॉयंट. सो लेट अस कन्सिडर अ टेस्ट चार्ज at infinity. Let the test charge be from infinity towards point charge at point P. म्हणजे हो आता point charge जालो, हांगा पर्यंत हाडया. Okay, so the work involved in getting this charge till the point P will give us the potential at this P because of this influence of this. It is done, this work is done against the electrostatic force of this. Test charge is also positive. Test charge also concept asa kide. It is a positive charge, it's a point charge, and it is its own electric field is zero. How concept test charge also. This charge is called as source charge, or it is called as point charge. And this is a test charge which is q naught. So आमी करता test charge हांगा हाडटा. So let us understand this and let this distance be r. So at infinity च्यान आमी r डिस्टन्साचेर test charge घेवन येता. Okay. So let a test charge be brought from infinity towards, okay. Let dr be the small distance or displacement covered by the test charge. ओके, आम्ही आता डिस्प्लेसमेंट कित्याक म्हणला तर वी आर कन्सिडरिंग अ स्ट्रेट पाथ, बट वर्क इज नॉट नेसेसरिली, इट इज नॉट पाथ डिपेंडंट. वर्क कॅन बी डन फ्रॉम हियर ऑल द वे. यू कॅन ब्रिंग द टेस्ट चार्ज फ्रॉम दिस सायड, यू कॅन गेट द टेस्ट चार्ज फ्रॉम दिस सायड. असो 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 करून हाडपाक शकता. आयदर वे यू कॅन ब्रिंग, कांय प्रॉब्लेम ना. पण कित्याक वर्क वील बी कन्सिडर्ड दोन जाग्याचेर कितले हांगाच्यान हांगा पावता तितलेंच पुरो. दॅट गिव्स द इंडिकेशन ऑफ द वर्क. कसो हाडला, विच पाथ इज टेकन वायल ब्रिंगिंग द टेस्ट चार्ज इज नॉट इम्पॉर्टंट. पण आम्ही स्ट्रेट पाथ घेतात बिकॉज वी वॉन्ट टू कन्सिडर द डिस्प्लेसमेंट फॅक्टर. ओके, लक्षात आयलें. लेट अस स्टार्ट. सो हांगा आतां घेवया स्मॉल डिस्प्लेसमेंट डी आर. ओके, सो आतां हें करपाक स्मॉल वर्क विल बी डन. दॅट वर्क विल बी गिवन एस आतां दॅट वर्क, द स्मॉल वर्क डन टू मूव test charge over dr. Over a displacement dr. So is what is equal to, or dw is equal to f dr. Force into displacement. इतले म्हळ्यार कळ्ळें तुमकां. This is a vector. Force कसलो हो? Force हो जो इलेक्ट्रोस्टॅटीक फोर्स थंयच्यान वता न्ही, repulsive force तो टेस्ट चार्जाचेर वता तो. सो दिस टेस्ट चार्ज इज आतां दिस इज द फोर्स डायरेक्शन ऑफ द फोर्स इज दिस सायड. कित्याक तो पुश करता ऑलवेज, आनी डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज इन दिस डायरेक्शन. डिस्प्लेसमेंट अशी, रायट. सो फोर्स एक वटेन आनी डिस्प्लेसमेंट दुसऱ्या वटेन. सो वॉट इज द एंगल बिटवीन द टू? दिस विल बी 180 degrees because opposite vectors, angle between opposite vectors is 180 degrees. So this is f dot dr cos theta. Dot product. दोन vectors जेन्ना multiply जातात and you get a scalar, and this is a dot product, right? So if you get a vector, then it is cross product. Anga scalar, work is a scalar quantity. So anga dot product. So you know theta is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, dw is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, I'll replace f dot dr cos 180. When it cos 180 is minus 1. So that's equal to minus f dot dr. Hot dot वेगळा multiplication है minus f dot dr. Okay. So we got therefore dw is equal to minus f dr. So this is the work done for a small displacement dr, right? So we want to integrate for a longer distance. Okay. Before that, let us replace force. Force is equal to what? Minus E q naught. For F is equal to E q naught. Q naught is test charge which is coming all the way. Anga electric field वेगळी, anga वेगळी, electric field वेगळी. But at any point, whatever at dr is the electric field multiplied by q naught charge gives the force at that point. Right? We have studied. मग पहिल्या लेसनान आसा F is equal to EQ. F पहिल्या लेसनाचे. So from here we get dw is equal to minus E q naught dr. Now potential, small potential हांगा काडटले जाल्यार you have to divide work by charge. Potential म्हणजे कितें? Work done by a charge for a small displace, for a small distance, whatever. In this case it is small. So work done for this small distance, it gives you the potential between this distance. So आमकां small potential मेळटलें. dw by q naught is equal to minus E q naught by q naught dr. Therefore P or dv, small potential. Therefore dv is equal to minus E dot dr. The small work done is the small potential that is developed. हांगाच्यान हांगा जितली potential लागते त्या ती potential minus E dot dr. Right? Okay. Now we want the larger potential from this to this. So आमकां integrate करचे पडटलें from infinity to r. Correct? So integrating both sides. Integral of dv is equal to integral of minus E dot dr. आता integration limits कितें आसा? From 0 to v, because potential at infinity is 0. Here we want to find a potential, that is our v ni, potential at this point. This is what it is. And hanga from infinity to r. R is variable, so infinity to r. From infinity to r. E will go out because E is constant. Okay, E will be out. So that gives us integral of 0 to v is equal to minus E integral of dr infinity to r. Okay. आता ह्या in एक variable असा. What is E? kq by r square. At this point, E is kq by r square, right? So we replace it is equal to minus k or q. This is larger q or q. So I have to plus q dhalla, so we'll take it as q r square integral of infinity to r dr. K and q is constant because this q does not change, this q does not change. Minus, minus, this is not minus q, this is minus is from here. Already I because of the 180 degrees, right? So this is minus kq by r square. The variable we put in the integration because that is what we want to change. So that gives us dv is equal to, so integral of dv 0 to v is equal to minus kq integral of 1 by r square dr infinity to r. Right. I'm writing all these times. So q is there. So how q plus q dhalla म्हणटकीर this is that q. आता लक्षात घ्या. q naught आमचो cancel out जालो हांगा already. Test charge cancel जालो. q उरला. q is this because it is this influence that is playing the part here. Correct? So here. Now we get integral the total potential 0 to v, that gives us total potential integrating over a longer distance in infinity to r. So again kq by law, kq minus kq by law. ओके, तुमकां कोणाक इंटिग्रेशन खबर ना तांकां आनी मातसो इन्फॉर्मेशन दिता minus 2 dr. कांयच करूना हांवें जस्ट हें केलां बिकॉज just to know थोडे maths घेवना. So I mean for them it is, this is raised to minus 2. Okay, so कितें करया, v is given as minus kq r raised to minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1. This is the integration infinity to r. This is the way you write integration. X raised to n is equal to x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Simple formula. Integration is the पहिलाच formula. Very simple formula. So that gives us minus kq r raised to minus 1 upon minus 1 infinity to r. Correct? इतलेपर्यंत कळ्ळें? म्हाका दिसता कांय डिफिकल्ट ना, व्हडलें कांय ना, दिसता मातशें कॉम्प्लेक्स पण व्हेरी इजी. v is equal to minus kq 1 upon r minus r. So अजून अशेंच उरलें infinity to r. So हांगा घेवया next step. Or we write this on top so that we use a space is equal to minus kq 1 upon r minus r infinity to r. So that gives us v is equal to, so these are definite integrals. So कोणें मॅथ्स घेतलेल्यांक खबर आसतलें how to solve the definite integrals. So minus kq, minus minus cancel जालो पळय, so that minus goes. So we write it as kq 1 upon r minus 1 upon infinity. This is a definite integral solving करपाचें. Okay. So हांगा कितें आयलें, r रिप्लेस केलो, r उरलो infinity. Fine. So हांगा कितें जाता is equal to kq upon r. 1 upon infinity is 0. 1 upon infinity is 0. So that gives you v is equal to kq by r. So this is the potential at this point when a test charge is brought off from infinity to this point against the force of electrostatic force of this charge. So potential due to a point charge is given by v is equal to kq by r. Okay, that's all. Thank you.